United Community Center was started in 1970, so we have had 53 years of doing business for the community. We started very small. As of today, we carry more than 550 employees. We have a school, 1,800 kids. We have a program for the elderly. We have another program for human services, which is for alcohol and drug abuse. We have 3 residentials. We also even have a restaurant, Café El Sol, which is a very nice fish fry.
Well, Bassett does our heating and air conditioning system. They maintain our boiler system. They do various other works that needs to be done. Having a technician person like Anthony on board is very helpful. He's very thorough in what he does. He explains it to me that I can take it back upstairs to my bosses.
I feel like I have a really good relationship with Julio and his guys. They let me know when there's problems, help me find the units or the classrooms that are affected. They really make my life a lot easier, and hopefully I solve their problems before they're a bigger issue for them.
Having Bassett come in and take care of our system for us helps us a lot because we are a small maintenance team and the campus is big. I've never worked with a company that's been so flexible and very helpful. They look for solutions and save us money. Bassett really is out there looking out for you. They really look out for us. Anthony is like one of the workers here. He's got his own badge, he's got his keys. He's my man right there. That's my man.
It means a lot to work here at UCC. They're a really important part of this community, and that really just makes you feel good to work for people that is sort of a family and community-oriented environment. As an organization, I think UCC and Bassett are aligned in that way. Just being a family business and being integral to the community, I think it makes us a really good match.
The services that we deliver is for the whole community, and we need people that are responsible, responsive, and will be there anytime that we need. And Bassett had made that commitment with us. I think that is a very great partnership.